Hi students, today we are going to see about work energy and power. Introduction of this work energy and power. The term work is used in diverse contexts in daily life. It refers to both physical as well as mental work. In fact, any activity can generally be called as work. But in physics, the term work is treated as a physical quantity with a precise definition. Work is said to be done by the force when the force applied on the body displaces it. Work then means when the force applied on a body displaces it. To do work, energy is required. So, energy is defined as the ability to do work. Hence, work and energy are equivalents and have same dimension. Energy in physics exists in different forms such as mechanical, electrical, thermal, nuclear and so on. That means the one energy is converted into another form of energy. So in this case of mechanical energy, it's two types, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. So the rate of work done or rate of energy delivered. The rate of work done is called power. A power strike in cricket refers to hit on a ball at a fast rate. Okay. The next topic is work. Let us consider a force effector acting on the body which moves it by a displacement in some direction dr vector. The expression for work done W by the force on the body is W equal to F vector dot dr vector. W equal to F vector dot dr vector. It is a scalar product, that is dot product. So we get W equal to F dr cos theta. So the scalar product of two vectors is a scalar. You already know. So work done is a scalar quantity. In SI system, the work done is Nm or joule. Its dimensional formula is ml square t power minus 2 and it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity you already know. Scalar means that is it has only magnitude and no direction. Okay, then a vector dot b vector you already know, that is ab cos theta. So w equal to f dr cos theta, where theta is the angle between applied force and the displacement of the body. The work done by the force depends on the force, displacement, dr and the angle theta between them. So that means that what F equal to W equal to F dr cos theta. So work done is directly proportional to force and is also directly proportional to displacement and also directly proportional to theta between them. Work done is 0. When the work done is 0, force is 0, displacement is 0 and theta between them is 0. That means the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So theta becomes 0. So work done becomes 0. So the three cases are there. Work done is 0. When work done becomes 0. When the force is 0, F equal to 0. For example, a body moving on a horizontal, smooth, frictionless surface will continue to do so as no force, not even friction, is acting along the plane. It is no friction surfaces in practical is not real. That is not in practical manner. This is a ideal situation. When the displacement is 0, that is dr equal to 0. For example, when the force is applied a rigid wall, it does not produce any displacement. A man pulled the wall does not move, so any displacement takes place. So work done becomes 0. In the case of the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. that means 90 degree. The force F vector and dr vector is perpendicular to each other. The man takes the object and the man walking take the object and walk x direction, walking in x direction. So the gravitational force the body moves on a horizontal direction, that means positive x direction. The gravitational force mg does no work on the body since it acts at right angles to the displacement. So in a circular motion, in this case, in a circular motion, the centripetal force does not do on the object moving on a circle, as it always perpendicular to the displacement. Okay, the displacement and the centripetal force is perpendicular. The centripetal force acts towards the center, but the displacement is a tangential direction. Okay, so it is perpendicular to each other. Displacement and centripetal force is perpendicular to each other, so work done becomes 0. For a given force and displacement, the angle between them decides the value of work done. There are many examples for the negative work done by a force. In a football game, this one. In a football game, the goalkeeper catches the ball coming towards him by applying a force such that the force is applied in a direction opposite to that of a portion of the ball. So till it comes to rest in his hands. During the time of applying the force, he does a negative work done on the ball. Okay, then work and angle between them. Angle theta equal to 0 degree, cos 0 equal to 1, work is positive and maximum. Theta is less than 90 degree, that means not 0 but 90 degree. It means 0 is greater than theta, greater than 90 degree, that is acute angle. So theta is less than cos theta, less than 1. Work done is positive. Theta equal to 90 degree. This is a right angle. Okay, this one is right angle. A right angle. Okay, this is right angle. So theta cos 90 is 0. So work done becomes 0. And theta equal to 90 degree. This is not. This one is also 90 degree. This is theta equal to 90 degree. Is less than theta, less than 180 degree. Okay, so cos 180 is minus 1. So cos theta less than 0. So work done is negative.